In this video, I will be talking about a crazy Bitcoin signal that currently is flashing, and I will be talking about what this currently means for the Bitcoin price action. And of course, I will be talking about Bitcoin that currently is bouncing from its previous all-time high, and I will be going over my price targets, the levels where I do think Bitcoin is heading towards, and much more, because yes, there are also interesting things playing out on the imminent short term. I will be talking about the exact levels to be breaking, so make sure that you smash up the like button, because in the previous video we smashed it up to 500 likes. Can we once again do it on today's update video? Smash up the like button and let's jump straight away in towards the content. So if we're going to look at Bitcoin, and if we're going to be seeing, of course, a further continuation of the trend we're currently trading in, we first have to be breaking above the 24.2k, and as soon as we do confirm a breakout above this level, we could be in for another significant rally towards higher levels on this market right here. Furthermore, I want to be pointing out that currently, if we're looking at the RSI on the 1 hour time frame, there is definitely some signs to be worrying right now, because on the RSI we can see a clear decreasement, and while we are seeing this decreasement on the RSI, the price action is significantly growing, and that is meaning that we're currently forming a significant amount of bearish divergence on this market, and this could be leading towards another significant drop-off. However, as long as we're going to be holding on towards this level right here, it's going to be quite all right. And the next major support to be looking at right now is going to be this range between the 23.2k and the 23.6k. But really what I do think is more interesting to look at are these higher time frames. So like the 4-hourly time frame and the daily time frame, how are they currently unfolding themselves? Because if I'm looking at the 4-hourly time frame, maybe we could be currently form a scenario where Bitcoin is going to form somewhat of a cup and handle scenario, right? Because currently on the 4-hourly time frame, the RSI is significantly overbought, and this could be leading towards a small little rejection here. And also, we're just getting rejected by the range high. But if you're zooming out here, you can clearly see 4-hour time frame has been significantly forming higher lows on the market together with higher highs. So yes, we are currently clearly in an uptrend, and yeah, right now what we really want to be seeing is, of course, a confirmation of the previous high getting broken above, to of course also once again confirm a higher high on the 4-hourly time frame. So far, we've not confirmed a higher high on the 4-hourly time frame, but considering the trend we're currently trading in, it is extremely likely that Bitcoin is going to be seeing a further increasement in price right here. In case we're going to get rejected, I think the main important levels to be looking at is going to be definitely the 23k, or basically this range high on the market. If I'm going to be flipping this level, let me make it green real quickly. If we're going to be, in case see a significant correction wave down here, I will be looking to accumulate more Bitcoin positions in terms of longs around the 23 to 22.8 thousand US dollars, because yeah, like you can see, major previous resistance and support, major support right here, and of course major resistance on the market as well right here. So do expect, if we're in case going to see a significant correction from here on, the 23,000 US dollars is definitely going to be a level to be watching right now. But more importantly, looking at the daily time frame, I still want to be pointing out the RSI uptrend, right? So just like last time around here, as long as we're not breaking the RSI uptrend, we are going to be quite all right. And actually, I do see a very similar pattern here, just like last time around, right? So we bounced from the RSI, then we of course saw a significant move up. We just were not touching the line, and then we broke it. And currently what we can see here, we touched the RSI, we moved up, we were just about not to touch the RSI, form a similar high, and then we broke it. So let's see how it's going to be playing out. I'm not saying Bitcoin is going to be crashing or whatsoever, because considering the effects on the macro environment currently in the world, it looks to be that the Federal Reserve is starting to be pivoting right now, and that could be leading towards significant pumps across stock markets and Bitcoin rather than more dumps in the market. So I personally think the bottom has already been formed, like I told you guys several times before on the channel. Also, the price cycle bottom indicator did flash at the bottom, and I personally think the bottom is already in, but still I will be highly suggest that you should be watching this RSI uptrend, and as soon as it does get broken, I do expect to see at least some downside for Bitcoin to come, but currently we're trading significantly above it, so there's no need to worry. What I do think is a very important level to watch right now is that 24,000 US dollar barrier. And like you can see, this red line here, we currently has not been officially breaking above this level. And if I'm zooming out, and of course, if you have been a viewer on the channel for a while right now, you do know that this level, the 24,000 US dollars, is a major important level of resistance. Like you can see right here, it provided significant resistance before Bitcoin went in its exponential bull run. Like you can see, there was only one major level of resistance, and that was the 24,000 US dollars. And if you're then zooming back towards the levels we're currently trading on, you can clearly see so far it is also providing significant resistance. And actually, currently, we're trading against this level, and we have to be breaking above this level to confirm a breakout towards the upside. And currently, we have not done so. But if we close the daily candle above the 24K, I personally think Bitcoin is going to be climbing up very quickly to, first of all, levels around 25.6K, and after that, targets around the 28.8K is going to be in the books for me. So please, we are very close towards an extremely bullish breakout. But first, I have to be waiting for the daily candle close above the 24,000 US dollars. And just like last time around here, once we broke above it, the market grew very, very quickly towards the upside. So once again, do expect similar movements if we break above this level on the daily time frame. Then really looking at the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, and once again talking about my price targets for the coming weeks, right? We can clearly see previous all-time high got retested, beautiful bounce from the previous all-time high. I mean, this is not more textbook than we can get it. And I have been talking about this several times before on the channel. The previous all-time high on the market, always historically, not on Bitcoin because we've never done it before, but always if you retest the previous all-time high from the previous cycle, on classic stocks as well, it tends to give you a very strong reaction, and that's also what we're currently seeing. And my main target as resistance, or my main price target, is going to be this 30 to 32,000 US dollar barrier, because that is basically the weekly support. And I mean, if we're going to touch that level, we are going to probably go two directions. Either we're going to go and form a lower low, or either we're going to be breaking above it and of course start the next run up in the market. So nevertheless, I do think that the most likely scenario to first see is go back towards the level around 30,000 US dollars. Before then, potentially start a new run up, or before then potentially start to come down again. But more importantly, really, we are currently in a very, very large cycle, and this signal we're currently seeing here on the market has flashed two times before as well, back on the bear market bottom in 2019 and back in the bear market bottom of 2015. Because yes, I've been talking about this several times before on my channel. Once Bitcoin is oversold on the weekly time frame, it is historically speaking a very good buying opportunity. And look at the periods where it flashed here in 2015, the exact bottom, here in 2018, 2019, exact bottom, and it did flash once again here in 2022. Of course, this is a signal already flashed a while ago, but currently we officially confirmed that we are out of the oversold territorium, and currently we are of course entering bullish stages once again in the market. And this is also a suggestion the bear market bottom has already been formed. So guys, please pay attention towards these charts. It is so extremely exciting to see Bitcoin once again doing the exact same thing like last year around here. And what we were trading on is 17 or 18K. Many people were too afraid to be buying Bitcoin. Anyways, guys, this was it for today's update video. If you want to trade, make sure to check out the link in the description. If you want to be trading, you can better use that link, because then you will also claim a free deposit bonus. But on top of that, if you want to learn how to copy trade, check out the video that's currently popping up above, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.